Alright, we're making a video for ZOUPW. It's a solar panel. It comes with accessory cables. This can be attached to different power stations. Includes some directions and includes a carry bag. For you to have an idea, it measures about 32 by 24. Easy to carry. Now let's open it up and unfolding one hand. And it just comes with metal legs for each panel. Okay, that's how it looks. Now let's connect it to my power station. I have here the EcoFlow Delta 3. These are the included cable connectors, adapters for different power station. In this case, we are using this adapter for my EcoFlow. Goes right there. Then we have the other cords or extensions that come with our solar panel, and there is no way to miss it. So there is no way you can miss or have problems with the cable direction. Also, you go by the color, which is red and black. Now to the back of our panel we have these plugs, and then just the extension cord connected to it. Red with red, black with black. Now, since our panel is 300 watts, we are getting so far 292, 93, and we have a little bit of clouds, so it's working properly. The panel is rated to 300 watts, so it's working fantastic. As you can see, measures 93 inches by 30. Perfect for camping. Well, at times give me 310 sometimes, but we have clouds. So again, 300 watts, it's working perfect with sunny days, but it's cloudy. I had to move a little bit the solar panel to a different location, but we still have some partially cloudy area. I'm still 285 aroundish. I guess I'm gonna reposition it. And we have a decent extension cord from the solar panel. Okay, that's the problem we have. It's partially cloudy, sometimes little clouds in between the sun and the solar panel is causing us to have 286, but it's delivering close to 300, sometimes 300. Sometimes I get 310, 11, even up to 15. So thanks for the solar panel. Check the link in the description.